Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So we launched Perplexity AI and all you see is a blank black screen, no error message, no interface, just nothing. This is frustrating, but it's usually easily fixable. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix black screen on startup in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So what causes this issue? A blank or black screen typically means something interrupted the proper loading of the application or the website. For the common causes, it includes corrupted cache files, browser extensions blocking scripts, or network restrictions. You can even try a hard refresh to basically refresh the whole browser or the app. According to Perplexity Official Help Center, a hard refresh should be your first step. Then on Windows, tap Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, you can press Command Shift and R. This forces your browser to reload the page from scratch, bypassing cache files that might be corrupted. If you are on Android, try to clear the cache. You're gonna ask me how and basically how would I do so. So for example, I'm gonna come here, long press the app, tap on Info, then go all the way down to Storage and clear the cache from here. If you are on a browser, you can clear the cache from basically the browser itself. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, then cached images and files and even cookies. And that's the whole idea. Disable any browser extensions such as adblocks and VPNs. That would help as well. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.